Hi and welcome to this educational video. My name is Simeon Iliev and I will try to show you how you can write your first lines of Java code right now in less than 5 minutes. I'll do this in a few simple steps. Following this tutorial, I'll make sure that the link to this tutorial will be presented in the description below. Um, so the first step from our tutorial is to navigate to this website, Online GDB, and we will use this website as an online development environment. Or if for some reason this website doesn't work for you, you can navigate to this website. So let's navigate to Online GDB and see if it loads properly for us. Yes, it looks like everything is okay, so you should see something like that. First thing you need to do is to select Java because this tutorial is for Java. Of course, you can, if you have a goodwill and desire, you can try it to learn other language here as well. So let's switch to Java in our case. So let's brainstorm a bit about this online IDE. So you have a space here to write your code. Basically, this is your code editor. Here you have your console output space. Here you have some buttons to work with your application or with the code you write in here. So basically you can run your code like in normal mode or in debug mode. You can stop forcefully your code. You can save it, beautify it, or download it. There's some other goodies here which are not part of this video, so I will expand my co-editor space here. So to make sure that everything is okay, the first thing is to click run button and see what happens. So if you see this program finish with exit code 0, press enter to exit console. This means that the website works fine and your ID is ready to go. And here below this line with the stars is our sample code that was generated by this online IDE. And if we continue to brainstorm on what we have here, we have basically definition for a class, how you define a class in Java, public, class, main, by using actually those keywords, public, class, and then main as the name of the class. It can be different name, of course. There's some rules how you can name classes, variables, and methods, but we'll not get into this now. And another important thing is once we have this definition here, public class main, then we need to have open bracket and close bracket, and everything between this open and close bracket will be definition of our class. Inside we have definitions of variables and different methods and code blocks. And here you can see we have a method, and a method is defined with in this case the way it looks like now with the keywords public void, and this will be our method name. And then here we can have some variables for the method, and everything that is within this open and close curly bracket will be our method definition. In Java, everything starts in a method that is called main method, and definition of a main method is very special. It should be with this exactly these keywords: public, static, void, main, and then with only one argument here, string array of arguments. So we will not get on this now. We just need to make sure this is the definition of the main method. And inside this main method, you can have the code that will be executed. In our case, we want to print something in the console, and in Java you can do this by using following pattern or like methods: system out print line, and then everything within this open and close bracket will be the string in a quotation mark. That's how you define a string in Java. So everything within this quotation mark will be printed. So we can do system out print line hello world, and then this sign in the end, um, just to change something and see if it works. Yeah, and it works. You see it will change a bit. So we can actually add one more line below or after it. Um, just copy the previous line. You can format it like this, and then you can write some text here. My first lines of code, and you can click run. Yay! So you see that message was also printed. And basically, if you followed me in these few steps, you actually written your first lines of code, and you can continue further with writing more stuff. And if you really want to do that, you can go to online tutorial like this one, www.tutorials.com Java. There's some others as well. So you can follow this tutorial and understand more about Java. You can write lines of code here and test your knowledge. Of course, there's some other tutorials where you can train yourself. You can go to W3 Schools Java or check my other tutorials. So basically that's what it. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you understand how easy you can start writing Java, and hope you're motivated to continue learning. Bye.